They were about to greenlight a $1.2 billion decision until one model, just one, showed them how much they could lose. No crystal balls. No guesswork. Just a simulation. Monte Carlo Simulation. Master risk and uncertainty with Monte Carlo Simulation, a powerful tool for professionals. Monte Carlo Simulation is not just a technique, it's a mindset. It helps you answer questions like, what's the real chance this project finishes on time? What if costs spiral? What if everything goes wrong, and what if nothing does? It simulates thousands, even millions of possible outcomes, so you can make the best decision in a world full of uncertainty. How to make Monte Carlo simulation, step by step. Step 1. Define the problem. What variable are we uncertain about? Time, cost, resource, revenue. Step 2. Assign probability distributions. Triangular, normal, beta. We teach how to choose the right one. Step 3. Generate random samples. Employ random sampling methods to select values for each uncertain input. Step 4. Exercise the simulation. Use tools like Excel with add-ins or software like Risk, Crystal Ball, Python. Step 5. Analyze results. Histograms, probability curves, sensitivity charts. This is where insights become decisions. And yes, we cover this step by step in the online course. Pros. Quantifies uncertainty. Enhances credibility in estimates. Makes decisions data-driven. Widely accepted by executives and regulators. Cons. Requires data inputs. Not always intuitive. Can be misused if misunderstood. It's like flying a plane, it's powerful, but you've got to know how to fly it. That's why we train you properly. Case Study 1. Oil Refinery Upgrade. Project Estimate, $480 million. Monte Carlo revealed 72% chance it would exceed $500 million. Mitigations were added. Final cost, $495 million. Budget saved. Case Study 2. Tech Startup Launch. Timeline Estimate, 8 months. Simulation showed only 30% chance of on-time delivery. They added 2 DAWs and compressed scope. Launch was 2 weeks early. Case Study 3. National Hospital Construction. Cost variance modeled for 25 risks. Without simulation, plus 19% budget bust forecast. With simulation, early contractor involvement, risks shared, final variance less than 4%. These weren't hunches. They were decisions backed by 10,000 plus simulated outcomes. Monte Carlo is not just for endgame analytics. You can use it at every phase. Feasibility phase, early risk screening. Planning phase, estimate ranges and confidence levels. Execution phase, monitor risk exposure in real time. Closure, compare modeled versus actual performance for insights. Smart project leaders don't just track, they predict. You can too. Monte Carlo isn't niche, it's global best practice. Used by engineers, project managers, risk officers, financial planners, healthcare strategists, tech product teams. Anywhere there's uncertainty, Monte Carlo is the professional's answer. Accuracy factors. What makes a simulation strong? Quality of input data. Correct choice of probability distributions. Number of iterations. More equals better. Clear risk interdependencies. Updated models as project evolves. Garbage in, garbage out. We teach how to get your inputs rock solid. That's what sets our course apart. Takeaways. Unlocking the future of project risk. Here's what you now know. Monte Carlo equals clarity in chaos. It's more than math, it's risk-based thinking. It gives you the edge in estimating, decision-making, and stakeholder trust. Anyone can learn it with the right guide. Want to turn your risk into readiness? Then let's get to work. Join our online course and you'll get Foundations of Monte Carlo Simulation for Risk Management, Building Blocks of Monte Carlo Simulation, Optimizing Your Simulation Strategy, Monte Carlo in Real-World Contexts, Applied Forecasting with Monte Carlo, Driving Better Decisions Through Simulation. Hit the link below. Enroll now. Transform the way you manage uncertainty. The future is uncertain, but your response to it? That can be absolutely strategic.